Do the day Awilo. Do the day Awilo. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey. Oh, yeah. Do the day Awilo. Yeah. Oh yeah, Awilo. Do the day Awilo.
Go back to
You know, yes, now. You have the address to the compound?
Hello, my friend.
Hey.
Please, hello. Do you know Mazukike compound?
Yeah, I think it's somewhere like this.
Okay.
Chop no good.
Okay.
Chop no good guy.
Thanks, sir.
Good. This is what we do it in America. This way I try.
We do run some kind of shit, you know.
Oh yeah, let's to walk on that. It's hot. So it's hot in my body.
That's Nigeria weather for you.
That's Nigeria for
I think it's this compound.
Calm down.
I think it's compound.
Yeah. Good. Cool.
No worry,
I
no
got
worry.
you, bro.
I got you.
Awilo.
Good day, my in-law.
What's up, guy? What's up? Chop no good. Hi. What's up?
Let's get to the discussion. Bow down. These are your in-laws now.
Hey, what are you
In-laws,
shouting for?
round,
This
round.
tradition. I told you now.
Okay.
You people should greet elders properly. Stop this yo. Greet us.
Greetings to elders.
You're welcome. This is how you come to where elders.
So, my in-laws, we came to pluck a flower in your garden.
Who tell flower?
Chioma, I think her name is Chioma. Her name is Chioma, Abi?
Yeah, Shoma.
This is my dad. This is my dad.
Yeah, Chioma. So, we came to seek in hand. Chioma.
Siki.
Yes, Chioma.
Yes, which kind of English is that? What is Siki?
Look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people.
We need Chioma.
Where is he from?
That's all we came on.
Cheese up.
Go and call Sioma for me. I'm down. Aye. This boy is a 5-star.
I don't be annoyed.
This is my baby.
Is he the person you want to marry?
Yes.
Yeah. This one that's true like you want to marry. Okay.
No problem.
Let me give him this.
Okay, sir.
Call it for me.
Who calling the beverage?
One pack of chewy stick, 10 bag of pure water, 5 pack of Indomie, 20 pack of cabin biscuits, 10 bottles of trophy, 5 team milk,
Should we drop the money now?
No, we are
10
going to the company.
crates of eggs, 7 pack of super commando, 1 pack of
Commando has been filmed in America.
4 keg of palm wine.
You don't carry wife go now. Our wife is going this very moment.
Fred. Call some ventures. Check about.
Africa.
Let's make it snappy. Call some ventures.
We do
Has been shot, not such
You
a
must
way.
carry this come out. More than everything. I believe you.
That is sharp.
Got you, bro.
This one has something.
Fast, man. Be fast.
Call some ventures.
It's ringing. Yeah, Sam. Sam, how far now?
Nah, Fred, I do
Yeah,
fine.
what's up, man? See, as in just listen. I just have a few lists where I won't read out to you, you understand? You just give me the price of all these things.
Okay, nah, no problem. No
Quick,
problem,
quick,
my
you
man.
understand? Because we have to make a very quick movement on this. Yeah, sure.
Oh, yeah, call them.
Okay. Please, how much for 1 pack of train stick?
50 million.
1 pack of train stick.
Yes, 1 pack is 50 million.
You know the train stick.
That's what I do for you.
1 pack of train stick, yes.
It is 50 million now.
One pack, not
Okay,
one
you
pack.
know this country again. It is 50 million.
50 million.
50 million for Twitik.
Okay, 10 bag of pure water.
70 million for that one.
Christ.
What is it? Fred, what is
70
going on?
million. For
70
10
million
bag of pure water.
What has Nigeria got into?
Understand.
What is going on in
Guys,
this country?
as you think, so if you go further. 10 bottle of trophy.
Just 20 million.
My God. Guy,
What?
Guy.
What?
20 million for 10 bags.
20 million?
God.
Fred, what did they solve? What did they go on now?
As I will
10 bottles of trophy now they call 20 million. What did they happen?
understand.
This country they go far. How much for 3 cows, Fred? How much will you get 3 cows?
3 cow is 150 million.
150 million.
150 million for what?
Guy. Say, wait, guy.
You know what?
As
You know
well,
what?
no.
Don't go further. Like, you know what?
I will.
Look at my face.
We are
Like I could have killed a lot of people.
Yes.
20 million.
Yes.
10 million.
No. I'll spend for her already.
Don't take the price now, man. We don't say, I will please, let's leave here. You understand?
Are you sure?
Crazy, man. Can't you see the price of all this thing? I don't understand.
Your list is too much.
I don't understand. So, as in, like, what? I don't understand.
Awilo,
This something. Hey, man, don't do this, man. Let's go.
Fred, let's go. The price
I
is
don't
too much.
understand. What's that?
No, the price is too much. Let's go. Let's go. Awilo.
Three cows, 150 million.
Awilo, there are plenty girls in Nigeria.
25 years we have spent for America and everything don't cost
I
like
don't
this.
understand. You understand?
What's
I myself, I
That
don't
is
know.
Nigeria for you.
What is this?
25 years.
For those
Everything
women,
don't cost.
You are in two places.
I don't understand.
Let's
3
go,
cows,
let's go,
150 million.
Fred,
How much is your daughter?
let's go.
Let's leave here. What
Nigeria
the fuck is that? What kind of people is this?
25 years.
Damn, man. Guy, what the fuck is
Oh yeah, don't let me hear we know.
What about this thing? What the fuck is that?
Awilo.
Yeah, let's go.
Don't
Let's
let
go.
me Awilo.
150 million. 150 million. I want 150 million. I don't do it.
Welcome to
I
this
don't
place.
understand.
Welcome
Yeah,
to
let's
this
go.
place.
What is this? Awilo, let's go. Ah,
One of you marry.
no, let's go. Let's go.
Awilo. Dorete. Awilo.